use our brand new SVG files in our new pattern called Sunday Brunch. Okay, let's get started. We've got our Sunday Brunch pattern and we want to cut out this little bird in this light pink fabric and all the shapes in that same fabric. So we're going to look on the first page of the pattern and find the QR code. I'm going to use my phone to scan this code that will take me directly to a file sharing website. From here, because I want to cut all of this fabric, I'm going to click Group by Color. Looking at the pattern, I can see that this light pink fabric is fabric 2. So I'm just going to download fabric 2 for now. And I'm just going to airdrop it to my computer. Then I will go to the Cricut workspace. When I go to my workspace, I'm going to do a new project. I'll click Upload here on the left. I will go to my Downloads folder because that's where my downloaded files are. Here is fabric 2. I'll click on it. I'll click Upload, and then I will click that recently uploaded and add it to my canvas. Now all of these pieces are on my canvas. I am ready to cut, so I will click at the top Make, and we are going to be cutting on a mat. So I'll click that. Okay, what's really awesome about the Cricut is if I go ahead back to this grouped by color folder and download every color that I need, every SVG file for the whole quilt, I can go back into the Cricut and upload each of these colors, which takes a bit of time. You do have to do that individually. But once they are all uploaded, you can then go ahead and under the recently uploaded, you can select all of them, click Add to Canvas, and it will pull it all together. It looks really messy and crazy, but if you click Make, what happens is it will organize all of the different fabrics onto each mat and keep them all color coordinated. From here, you can look, and if there's any little pieces that are on its own mat, you can move it to a different mat if there's space. You don't want any pieces to overlap. Because the mats are the same color as the SVG file, we know that this is fabric 9, etc. Okay, back to the cutting this bird with the light pink pieces. Now that we know that it's a bit bigger than 12 by 12, we're prepping our fabric accordingly. We are ironing fusible web to the wrong side of the fabric. The fabric's about 12 by 15, which is going to cover the mat and all the cutting area. With a Cricut, we actually prefer cutting with the fabric face down. We are going to make sure that this is really, really secure on the mat. On the computer side, we're making sure that the rotary blade tool is selected. You can see all of our pieces on the mat. We're going to make sure the mirrored button is flipped because our fabric is face down. And then we're going to load the mat onto our machine. Once the Cricut is done measuring the machine, we will click or press the button for cut. Here it goes. It's cutting out all of our applique pieces. Once it's done cutting, we will unload the mat and carefully with our tools separate the pieces from the mat. From here, we can get straight into ironing everything down because they've already got the fusible web on them, and we can proceed as normal. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.